Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing a Hello Kitty Squishmallow. But before we get started, I'm so excited to show you this whole series. There's 6 of them in total, and they're the Hello Kitty and Friends series. And I'm just so lucky to get all of them. So here we go. We have the red classic. Then we have the pink classic, right? Let's see if I can hold all of them. And then we have, let's see here, this blue and yellow one. So cute. I love the colors. They're so bright. So you're gonna hold all. And then another one, this aquash color one with the pink stripes. And that is it for the Hello Kitty portion. There's 2 more. Super excited to show you this to you. Ta-da! Isn't that cute? It's a My Melody, right? Part of the Hello Kitty and Friends series. So cute. I've drawn a My Melody already, so definitely check out that video if you love My Melody. Not Squishmallow form, but the original form. And let's see, I'll put that one right here. And last one, it's blue. What do you think it is? Ready? Ta-da! Tuxedo Sam. I've also drawn Tuxedo Sam, so definitely check out that video as well. And I really hope you love looking at these super cute Hello Kitty and Friends Squishmallow. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper, and let's get started. To draw this cute Hello Kitty, let's first start by drawing her nose. So I'm going to come right here and draw a small little oval. And connect. From there, I'm going to go ahead to the side and draw a big oval for the eyes. So I'm going to give myself some space, so say about this much, and I'll come right here and start my oval. Nice big eyes. And so same thing on the other side. So about this much area, about say here, go ahead and draw the other oval. There. From there, I'm going to go ahead and just give it draw a circle here for a highlight and shade everything else in. And oops, and same thing over here. Okay, so now that we have the eyes in, let's come, now we need to draw the head, right? So we're going to start to draw the Squishmallow shape, which is kind of like my usual dumpling shape, but just longer. So I'll say come to the bottom of this eye. I'm going to come out about right here. I'll just give myself a point. Same thing over here, about right here. I'm just giving myself a point so I know where I'm going. And from there, I'm going to start to curve up. So just remember you're drawing the shape which is narrower at the top. So we're just going around the eye, and I'll just work on this top part first. And I'm going to go up nice and high. And come towards the center. So about right here. And I'll stop. And then I'll do the same thing over here. So right here, I'll just go ahead and draw a curve using that as my guide. If you're using a pencil, definitely just draw the shape all the way around. The reason I have to stop here is because I have this big Hello Kitty bow I need to draw, right? So right above the eye, imagining this is coming through as a curve. In the center of that curve, I'm going to draw a big circle. So say about right here. I'll just go ahead and draw a big circle right in the center, and from there I'll draw the loops. So come about right here. I'm just going to draw a nice round loop and bring it in. So same thing over here. And in. There. And then come in here in the center and just draw a curve for some detail, and whatever space you have left, finish it off. Okay, so then from there we need to draw the ears. So we're going to put it in about this area right here. So say about here and here. Go up and about right here, round it off and bring it in. Fix my curve. There. Okay, so then for the other ear, let's just imagine it is there. So say about right here is where it's going to start. It's going to go up, right? So it's going to go up. So I'll just say about right here. It's all kind of tricky, but just kind of imagine up. And I'll just drag a point across about this high. I always find this is the hardest part to draw on Hello Kitty. And then I'll just come down. There, hopefully that doesn't look too off. I just want to tuck in this little ear. Or you can make this bow super big and then you don't have to draw the ear at all, right? Okay, so then from there, I'm going to go ahead and finish this Squishmallow body. So I'll just bring it down. And about right here, I'll go ahead and round it in. And connect at the bottom. There. Okay, so then finally we can come in here and draw some details. So I'll say about right here, towards the bottom a little bit. I'll give myself a point. From there, I'm just going to drag it right across so I know where I'm going. So about right there, and I'll draw a big curve right across. So my center, now I can go up. Again, back to this point right here. Then I will come in here and draw this little pocket thing that's going on in the center. So say right underneath the eye, about right there. I'll go ahead and draw this big curve for some details. Come towards the center. And connect. And then there's these two circles on the side, so I'll just come right here and draw two circles for some details. And same thing on the other side, so about right here. There. And then of course the whiskers, right? Something's missing. So in this eye area, I'll go ahead and about right here, draw 3 whiskers. 2 and 3. So same thing here. So go right here and here. And I think I went 2 in. I always tend to do that on that side. Okay, so no problems. I got my handy dandy whiteout pen and I'll just back it up a little bit. There, much better, right? Now I'll make my highlight a little bit bigger. And last but not least, I am taking the liberty to add a heart right in the center in this little pocket area here. So I'll give myself 2 points and I'll go ahead and draw my heart. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this drawing of this cute Squishmallow Hello Kitty turned out. And definitely let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. The pink, the red, the pale green, the blue, or of course, My Melody and Tuxedo Sam. I would definitely love to know in the comments, so let me know. And thanks so much for watching, cuties, and I hope I really made this drawing fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.